Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make a really cute bookmarker, and I had made this bookmarker years ago and it was really funny when we went on our Greek Isles cruise with Stampin' Up. My husband had kept his bookmarker and he uses it in all his books that he reads on vacation, and I didn't take my bookmarker, so it made me realize that I needed to update the video and I need to make myself another bookmark. And then plus today kicks off our Glitter Queens Fall Fun Fold blog hop. So I thought the bookmarker was perfect because it's a fun fold for sure. Okay, so I wanted to show you these that I made previously. I'm going to make a fall one with you today, but this is a Halloween version using the Boo to You stamp set, that cute little monsters, one of my favorites. And then I also added some googly eyes to him. Can you see those? It makes them really cute. And then I also added a basic black piece using the ordinate frames in the dies, and this is available in the Spooktacular Bash bundle. You can get the ornate frames and the stamp set, which we're not using for this bookmarker, but you can get them in a bundle and save 10%. And even though it's in a Halloween bundle, these dies will be awesome for any project, and we're going to use it for the fall project today, so you'll see that it's very versatile. So then this one I used the Wrapped in Plaid, and this is also in the holiday catalog right now. And these are 6x6 pieces of designer paper, so you can make a lot of these bookmarkers for teachers, your students, anybody that really loves to read. And I used the gold foil sheet with the So Many Stars die. And you can see I layered the 2 stars together with the mini dimensional, and then I added a little basic rhinestone to the center of the star. So let me show you what the bookmarker looks like on a book. I just happen to have the catalog here handy, so I want to show you. So you're just going to slip this over the page that you want to save when you're reading a book, or for instance looking at the holiday or the annual catalog. So it's just a really nice little bookmark. I love it. And then here's the Halloween one. So cute with those googly eyes. All right, so with the theme of the blog hop today, we're going to make a fall one. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said, this bookmarker is very easy, and all you're going to need is a 6x6 piece of designer paper. Designer paper folds really nice, and I'm using the Come Together designer paper, and it's double-sided. It's beautiful, and it's in the holiday catalog right now. Let me show you that. So here's the designer paper that we're using today, Come Together, and you'll see this beautiful picture of the designer paper. So we're using this one right here, and the colors that are listed on this collection are the Cajun Craze, Early Espresso, Mary Merlot, Mint Macaron, Pear Pizzazz, Pretty Peacock, and Whisper White. So you'll see that I cut out already the ornate frames, and this is what those look like. So you get a collection of all these adorable frames. Now this is the one that I used, and then I also cut out a larger size just to show you what it looks like when you cut it out. So here's this one. Hopefully it shows up. Let me move this out of the way. So hopefully that shows up. Very detailed around the edge. Love it. Now these are the colors that I was kind of throwing around to use with this color of designer paper. So you can see all of them look really nice. So this is the Pretty Peacock, and this is actually the Basic Gray, which is not even listed in the color collection. And then again, Smoky Slate, which is not listed. And then the Early Espresso. I think I'm going to use the Pretty Peacock for my frame today with that, because it'll bring out that color in the designer paper. All right, so but these are the ornate frames in the die collection in the holiday catalog. So I wanted to show you those. And then the stamp set we're using is To Every Season. This is also available in a bundle with the little mini punch pack. And we're using the Thankful Each Day for You. I love that. All right, so let's go ahead and fold our bookmark. So you're going to go ahead and put the side that you want facing out face down. So I want my pumpkin side with the Pretty Peacock facing out. So I'm going to face that down, and you're just going to fold this point to point to make a triangle. So make your point. Let me get my bone folder. Okay, so then you're going to take these 2 outside points and bring them up to the center. Your bone folder will be your best friend for this project, because you want those crisp lines. I'm going to bring this one over, and you're going to butt that right up to that other line down here, just like that. Okay, so now you're going to take and open up your points, And then you're going to fold in this part right here. So you're going to open it up and you're going to fold that right up to that center point. Okay. Then you're going to fold in your panel here and you're going to tuck this in. I like to run the point in and then just kind of scoot that down so it tucks up in there really nicely. Once again, use your bone folder. And then bring this side over the same way. So bringing it over, lining it up, and then tucking it into your pocket. Just like that. Just scooting it down so it goes all the way in, just like that. And there's your bookmarker. Isn't that easy? So what a great way to utilize all your 6x6 paper. Let me show you how it fits on the catalog. Just gonna put that right in the corner of your book. I love it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and decorate it. So I have a piece of Whisper White and we're gonna use the Pretty Peacock Classic Ink. And we're also using the Sahara Sand. So we're gonna first stamp the greeting, which is thankful each day for you. And then I took the leaves and I put 2 of them on the block, which you probably can't see because they're photopolymer. So I took this leaf and this leaf and I put them on the block. And we're going to stamp this at the same time with the Sahara Sand. And I'm just going to ink it up and then I'm going to stamp it off. And then stamp over that thankful for you each day. And just stamp it twice. Just like that. So it's just a very subtle background. I love that. All right, so let's close up our ink pads. Okay, so we're going to take our 1.5 inch circle punch and punch that out. And then this is where the ornate frame comes in. We're going to pop this up on a dimensional. I'm just going to center this over top of that Pretty Peacock. So pretty. Isn't that beautiful? And then we're going to pop this up on dimensionals as well. So I'm going to actually put them onto the bookmark. Put 2 in the center, like that. And then I'm going to put 2 on the outside of the frames, on the back side. I'm just going to put this right on the top. So when anybody uses this bookmark, they'll know that I'm thankful for them each day. How awesome is that? All right, so let's go ahead and bring the catalog back in with the finished bookmark. You can see how cute it is. Isn't that adorable? And then here's the Christmas version. And then here's the monster one. Oh, the googly eyes. So cute. Okay, so that's how you make that really cute bookmark. And then also, if you click the link below, it'll take you to my blog and you can follow along on our blog hop. And the theme, once again, is fun folds. So I thought the bookmarker was really cute fun fold for you today. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.